XRP Ripple News coming at you. Hit that like, subscribe, that bell notification, most importantly, to get all your latest breaking news. XRP lawsuit as we move into a cashless system in 2024. We're going to need to know all the updates and breaking news. Hit that like button, comment down below, and join the station and get educated and prepared to 1000x your life, and to 1000x your standard of living, and to 1000x your portfolio. In a digital age, you need a digital solution. In the age of CBDC, central bank digital currencies, you need a bridge and a problem solver. In a digital time and a cashless society, you need a processing system that can take these digital transactions fast, cheaply, affordably, and at a mass scale. And XRP is the solution, and XRP is the answer for this business using proven crypto and blockchain technology honed over a decade. Ripple enterprise-grade solutions are faster, more transparent, and more cost-effective than traditional financing and banks. In a cashless society with digital payments worldwide, you need a centralized processor of digital payments and a blockchain capable of handling a worldwide mass transactions, cheap, affordably, and fast. Most importantly, an XRP Ripple blockchain is the answer that can bridge the gap because it settles in seconds, not days. And you can expand your reach and accelerate your payments business, delivers real-time global payments without tying up capital. Our proven track record and global network enables payment, disbursement, and treasury flows that are faster, more reliable, and more affordable for organizations and their customers, and that's a key factor to XRP. Things that separate XRP: it frees up working capital, eliminating pre-funding requirements, and flexible repayment terms help unlock trapped capital, enables faster payments, offers lower cost payments, expands into new markets that weren't previously accessible to businesses, private lenders, and these are just some of the things that separate XRP from the rest of the field in the cryptocurrency and the digital processing age. But now we're going to get into some of the XRP price, as this will be a running series on how we open up our technical analysis here. We look into how XRP works and why it is so valuable in the new coming digital age. VINCENZO'S Go Crypto Investing, and you can see the Bitcoin price where it's been sitting at major support and resistance for quite some time since back here with the great dump. We're just going to get a quick recap here leading into the Fed market tomorrow, where they're going to raise interest rates 0.75%. We had the great dump in June, and we hit that major resistance that formed sort of a bottom. And then we took off in this rising wedge where we had upper resistance, upper resistance, upper resistance, lower support. A technical target is from the top of that to the bottom to the point of a breakout. And you can see we've already laid that out over here, which would bring you down to 13,000, which would get you pretty close to that 13,336 target that we made in mid part of 2021 on this station, made a bold call. And then we came back down now after we broke out of it right there. We've hit this upper resistance or lower support on the top part of this blue support zone. We got bottom one, bottom two. Sometimes that can mean if you hold that, you can make another run back up into here. But if you fail this level right here, and then on this recent low, you're going to come all the way down to the 16,598.54 level. And that is your last line of defense before you would come down to this underneath target that we've had for quite some time, just above the orange resist support box, the last line of defense to the shit house, right? So key levels going into tomorrow is this 19,310. If you can break it, you can make a nice run up to 21,747 and maybe up to 24,969.69. But if you can't break this level, you're coming right down to 16,598.54. And if we move along to Shiba coin, I know people like Shiba. We haven't talked about that in a while. You can see Shiba after it got rejected up here. Well, first of all, we were in this falling channel. If we zoom out to the daily time frame, you can see from great pump of the crypto bull market, we were in this falling channel all the way in here, and then we just traded out of it, pumped up to the 200 and got rejected, and now we're back down into this major trading area right here, which is the orange support zone right along the mean of the volume. And if we dip below the mean of the volume, which is right about where the price is now, we're going to come down to that point, a bunch of 0.739. And if we zoom into the 2-hour time frame, we can see that as the most likely solution, as we're being forced down by the moving averages with our industry exclusive drawing tool. We're being forced down by the moving averages, and we're about to be below the mean of the price action, which is right about here. And I think your next logical big move is down here to the 739 in the old Shiba coin. If we look at dappt, it probably has been sitting. Nope. Oh, see, dappt came back down, just like we were talking about. If it got rejected by that upper resistance, which is the mean of the volume indicator, it was going to force it back down. And if you were going to try to make a gamble at it, the next spot to make a gamble after this pump blew up and after it was consolidating here, going back through the mean of the volume in red, we were saying the next spot, if you're going to try to play a bounce and a big pump, is back here, just like was the name of the game for about 2 months almost. You buy the green support line at about 0.0004939, and you sell the red resistance area. And we're probably going back to the same name, the same game. The best, safest spot would be if it touches down here again, you buy it, and then you play it up into this red trading area, and you have a sell order somewhere, unless it just shoots over it like it did here, and you get extra gains, right? But the name of the game is going back to what it was before. You buy the support level down there on that green line at 0.4939, and then you sell the red resistance box. It's back to the normal game, and REVAIN coin is still sitting on this trading area if you want to take a gamble that it holds here, because it's an extreme double bottom low from back here in May of 2022. It briefly breached it and came down to the all-time low at 0.0074848, and that's your gamble that you can play right now. If you zoom back to the right on the chart, is that it holds this and makes a run somewhere up into here where its major upper resistance is, which is descending, which is sitting at about 0.00127782, but the threat is you breach it and come down to the next level, and that's a pretty big fall from where you were at. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. Peace and love. Peace and love.